There are various prevention practices that can help decrease the likelihood that people will become infected with diseases spread by the fecal-oral route, like Campylobacter and Salmonella. Since most human infections due to these bacteria are foodborne, proper handling and cooking of raw food products like poultry is critical. This includes washing hands, kitchen work surfaces, and utensils with soap and water immediately after they have been in contact with raw meat. Another essential step in prevention is to maintain good personal hygiene. From a farm safety standpoint, this means frequent hand washing, especially after contacting animals, to prevent harmful organisms from entering your body. Another basic prevention step is to wear the appropriate personal protective equipment when handling animals or animal tissues. Keep equipment clean to prevent it from becoming a fomite that can transmit disease. Keep animals in a clean environment and manage manure properly in order to decrease the amount of enteric bacteria animals and people are exposed to. If performed routinely, these basic steps will go a long way in not only preventing human illness with these bacteria, but also prevent disease spread among animals and farms. Employing good food safety practices is essential to decrease the risk of human infection with both Salmonella and Campylobacter. Practices to reduce the risk of foodborne disease include avoiding consuming raw or undercooked eggs, poultry, and other meats, as well as avoiding the consumption of raw dairy products. Another food safety best practice includes keeping uncooked meat separate from produce, as well as cooked and ready-to-eat foods to avoid cross-contamination of foods. Good hand washing practices should be performed both before and throughout food preparation to reduce contamination through handling. In addition to food safety, good hygiene practices associated with animal contact, especially hand washing, are an important component of avoiding infection with both Salmonella and Campylobacter. Make sure to wash your hands after handling animals, specifically in regard to poultry. It is important not to allow children under 5 or people with weak immune systems to handle live poultry. Live poultry and their equipment should be kept outside of the house. From a farm safety standpoint, it is ideal to have hand washing facilities with warm running water, soap, and clean towels located near animal contact areas as pictured here. Post signs to remind people to wash their hands after handling animals. Be sure to check soap and towels often. Frequent hand washing, especially after contacting animals, is one way to prevent harmful organisms from entering your body.